This is made with UVA, and if you have a combination sensitive skin and you're looking for a very good moisturizer, then I would recommend you to try the CETAPHIL DERMACONTROL Oil Absorbing Moisturizer. What about this moisturizer? One is that it comes with sunscreen. Two, it really moisturizes your skin. I have a combination skin, but at the same time I can have a very dry skin. So I was looking for something that will moisturize my skin, but at the same time would it make me have acne or anything like that. I finally found this one. I give it a try and I love it. Really hydrates my skin. You apply it on the skin, on your skin. It's very soft. I also like the size. It's perfect. You can bring it with you. Won't be afraid that you will get all of these on your clothes or anything else. I really like this CETAPHIL moisturizer. This was something I was looking for so long. If you are like me looking for the perfect one, I'll just recommend you to give it a try, but this is just my point of view.